we have to find a number of 7-digit numbers that can be formed by using 0, 1 or 2, and in each number either 0 appear exactly twice or 1 appear exactly twice. This is 7 places. This first place can be filled either by 1 or by 2. That means in 2 ways. First, we want to know how many numbers are there in which 0 appear exactly twice. For 2 places, any 2 places, this place or this place, or this place or this place, any 2 places out of these 6 vacant places can be selected in 62 ways. Now there will be left 4 vacant places. Each place can be filled either by 1 or by 2. That means in 2 ways. Therefore, 4 places will be filled up in 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. That means 2 to the power 4 ways. This is equal to 480. In this 480, this type of number, 0 appear exactly twice, but 1 do not appear exactly twice, is present, and 0 appear exactly twice and 1 also appear exactly twice. Such type of numbers have also been counted in this 480. Now we will find number of 7-digit numbers in which 1 appear exactly twice. If we fill up this first place by 1, then there will be exactly 1 that will appear at any one of these 6 places. 1 place out of these 6 places can be selected in 61 ways for this 1. Now there will be left 5 vacant places. Each place can be filled in 2 ways, either by 0 or by 2. Therefore, number of such numbers will be equal to 192. There will also be some numbers in which this first place is filled up by 2. If we fill up this first place by 2, the number of ways to fill up this place is 1. Now there are exactly 2 1 that will appear in this 7-digit number. Out of these 6 vacant places, 2 places for this 2 1 can be selected in 62 ways. Now there will be left 4 vacant places, and each place can be filled either by 0 or by 2. That means in 2 ways. Therefore, 4 vacant places will be filled in 2 to the power 4 different ways. Therefore, number of such numbers will be equal to 240. When we add this 192 and this 240, we get 432. In this 432, we have also counted number of such numbers in which 1 appear exactly twice, but 0 do not appear exactly twice. And We have also counted such numbers in which 1 appeared twice and 0 also appeared twice. Now we will find out number of such 7-digit numbers in which 0 appear exactly twice and 1 also appear exactly twice. If we fill up this first place by 1, then number of ways to fill up this place will be 1. Since we have to put exactly 1 exactly 2 times, 0 exactly 2 times, therefore remaining places will be filled up by 2. That means 3 places will be filled up by 2. Now here is 6 digit, out of which some digits are identical. Number of total digit, factorial number of total digit divided by number of identical digit. 2 digits are identical, factorial 2. 3 digits are identical, factorial 3. This is number of ways to arrange these 6 things in which some things are identical. Any one arrangement can be put in these 6 vacant places. Therefore, number of such numbers will be 1 times this. That means this 60. If we fill up this first place by 2, then number of ways to fill up this place is 1. Now there are 2 1 2 times, 0 2 times. That means remaining 2 places will be filled up by 2. That means 2 will appear 2 times. Here is 6 digits, factorial 6 by number of identical digit, identical thing, factorial 2. Number of identical thing, factorial 2. Number of identical thing, factorial 2. That means number of such numbers will be 90. If we add this 60 and this 90, we get 150. That means number of 7-digit numbers in which 0 appear exactly twice and 1 also appear exactly twice is 150. Actually, in this question, we have to find number of this type of numbers plus number of this type of numbers plus number of this type of numbers. If we add these two, then this type of number of this type of number will be added twice, but we have to add number of this type of numbers once. Therefore, to get result which is to get the number which is sum of this, we add these two and subtract this once. Then this one, this type of numbers will be cancelled out once and will be present in the sum. only once, counted in the sum only once. Therefore, result will be 480 plus 432 minus 150. This is equal to 762. Now solution is complete.